Hey YouTube, it's your girl Amber K back again with another review. Again, you have seen this company on my channel at least twice. The first one I bought, the second one they actually sent me some hair to review, and that last one was my kinky straight. So I'm gonna leave both of those links down below so you can go ahead and check those videos out. Again, the company is called Former Hair. They are on Amazon. The last one that I did was the kinky straight. I still have it. It's really soft. It's pretty. That's my go-to one, you know. And then the curly one, the loose curly one too, still my go-to. I cut it in the bob this time. It was 20 inches. My 20 inches really look like 22 inches. So I really like this company. This company now has started some new things. They have reconstructed their wigs, which I'm so happy to be a part of, you know, their venture and revamping their brand. So again, they're on Amazon. Shipping for me took 1 day. Amazon does have sometimes with the Prime membership, they do have 1 day shipping, 2 day shipping, and now they're also offering, if you want to wait till another day, if you're not in a rush, they will give you I think it's $1 rewards towards like other future products and stuff like that. So the more you shop on Amazon, you can just rack up those rewards towards your next purchases, which is good. So again, I'm gonna go ahead and get into this unboxing. The hair was actually just delivered probably just 2 seconds ago. This is how it came in this. I already took it out the box. It came in this prime to my door. And this is the box, like always. Former Hair. I'm gonna link down below. The wig that they sent me is actually a 14-inch loose deep curly wig, supposed to be. I'm so excited about doing this. I love curly hair. I want to do a longer curly hair, but I guess next time I might have to try a longer one. Cause this one's a short one. It's a 14-inch. I haven't really did too many 14-inch short curly unless they were like beauty supply store type. If I was doing a quick weave on myself, that's most of the time I do short curly wet and wavy hair, as I call it. So go ahead and get to this unboxing. Alright, so it comes with a elastic band and some combs extra. They did the last wig that I had, it actually came with the elastic band. The first wig I had did not come with an elastic band. Actually, the first wig that I have, if I can find it, I might do another video to show how they changed the reconstruction of their wigs. Yeah, but the last one I had actually came with the elastic band. Sorry, the elastic band. I almost forgot. It also comes with a little letter. And it's just a thank you note saying thank you for purchasing. If you were satisfied with the product, go ahead and leave your feedback. They have an email that you can also contact them at. You know, and, you know, send them pictures and everything else. So this is how it looks. Just a little note. The last one I didn't have that, so they're changing some stuff up. I'm so excited for this company, and they're super duper nice. They get back to you in time. Like, have any questions, they'll get back to you a couple of hours. And you know, if they're overseas, time difference. So basically at night it's their morning. So put that in consideration. Now this is how it looks, the hair. It's in the bag. Sorry, I'm trying to open it up. And I'm looking at TV at the same time. So I'm doing this review. Yeah, I gotta take my braids out. Yeah, I did my own braids, so, and they've been for a little while, so gotta switch it up now. That's a little stocking. Alright, and this is the wig. Again, it's only 14 inches. 130 density. Loose curly. Let me get mine. And I'm gonna put this on here so you guys can see the front of the wig. They also has this lace is actually like a brown tint. I really don't bleach my knots because sometimes I don't like some people over bleach. I don't want to take the risk as in over bleaching my knots or anything like that. So I just usually do the foundation, or I just use a different type of stocking cap, either the darker stocking cap. I don't really use the light one. Sometimes I use the light one, but they also got a darker stocking cap that I usually use. And so this is the wig. This is the hairline. It's actually pre-plucked, which I'm so excited. The last one I had was not pre-plucked. I had to try to do it myself. The last two that I had. But now they're changing everything. It's pre-plucked. So I'm super, super excited for that. His hair is super soft too. And let me show you the parting space. So parting space is probably about, I don't know if you guys can see that. It comes about right here, so it's about 2.5, 3 inches of parting space on this wig. Again, it is just a frontal. They do have the option on the back of the wig. Let's see if I can lift it up so you guys can see. Take it off. On the back, it is lace on the back. So I can actually, and it's far enough down, I can actually put up in a ponytail. And I might try to do that with this curly hair. I usually don't put my hair up or my wigs up in a ponytail. But since this is curly and it actually has baby hairs, and this is not, it's not a full lace. Let me double check. No, this is just the frontal. So it does have that option. This does have the option of you can put your hair up in a ponytail. It does have baby hairs on the back, which my kinky straight had this, but it didn't have the baby hairs. But I never put it up in a ponytail. So yeah, it does have that option, which I'm super, super excited for. So I might end up trying it that way. Again, the hair is pre-plucked. I've been running my hands through it, so it's looking a little fluffy. Again, it's 130. I'm gonna keep saying that. It's 130% density. I know a lot of people want to know what's the density, but on curly hair, I feel like density can go either way because it's curly. So once it dries, it gets bigger. Once it's wet, it's flat. But once it dries, it gets bigger. So it's just up to you as far as your density. They do have density options. I think it's 130, 150, and I don't think it's anything higher than that. Again, the wig starts off at $100, which is not bad for a lace. Again, it's on Amazon, so you're not paying for shipping. I think the options for the wig, they go down to a 22 inch. I'm gonna try the next long one soon. Right now, they sent me a 14, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the 14. And try it. Something new. I'll probably be able to put in a ponytail, do more things with it, and let's see how it works. Again, I'm so excited for, again, working with this company. I will probably be putting the hair in next week. After I take my braids out. After I take my braids out, kind of over it. I really don't like the hair that this braids came in. It was actually Janet. But I usually stick with Bobby Boss. I love me some Bobby Boss. So, yeah. And I had my braids in for over a month or two. And I do my own braids. So, it usually take me a little while. But now I'm going to take them out and go ahead and put this wig on. And once I install the wig, you already know, I'm coming back again with another full review, pictures taken, everything. So you guys can actually see how the wig looks on, how the hair is plucked. If I had to pluck again, I would let you know if I pluck some more. But I'm trying not to pluck any more because I feel like it's plucked enough. And I don't want to make any bald spots in the hair, because if you over pluck, you will make bald spots in the hair. So I'm not trying to do that with this wig. So rate, comment, subscribe. Have any questions I can answer. Free to hit me up in the comments, and I'll definitely answer you back as soon as possible. Again, any business inquiries, my email will be down below. And let's go. All right, peace.